How to fix Windows File Explorer not responding. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows File Explorer not responding. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is search for your File Explorer. So let's search for File Explorer on our Windows. So type in File Explorer, and after you type in File Explorer, you'll find this option called File Explorer Options. So after you find this, just tap on it and open this window up. After you open this window up, you will see this privacy section inside your File Explorer option, and you'll need to tap on Clear. So tap on Clear, and after you tap on Clear, you can then tap on OK. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is just open up your Task Manager. So you can search for Task Manager or directly open it up as well. And after you open up your Task Manager, here you will find an option called Windows Explorer. So after you find this, right click on it and just select this, right click on it, and then you can end this. If you see an end button, you can simply end that, or you can restart your Windows Explorer. So just do that. It might take some time. And after you do that, you will need to open up your run. So open up your Windows R. So tap on Windows R together, and on your run, what you need to type is Explorer. And after you type in Explorer, just type in .exe as well. After that, hit enter, and then your Windows Explorer should open up. And that's basically how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.